This year, our goal is to declutter our homes and really organize them.
Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Alexandria.
And I'm Edna.
And we're actually mother-daughter. So today we are gonna show you 5 easy ways how to organize your linen closet. So I've been in my home for 4 years and I have managed to accumulate a lot of things in my linen closet. So our first thing in organizing your linen closet is going through everything and taking out everything out of the closet and figuring out what you're actually gonna keep. And if there's old linens or towels that maybe you don't need anymore, or if they are torn, we like to donate ours to the local animal shelter, but you can also donate them to local charities, or you can cut them up and use them as cleaning rags later.
I just broke the kitchen. I think it was right over in the back right here.
No, it was right here.
Well, no, but that's why. It was like covered or on this. I didn't even see it. Oops.
We had a casualty.
Oh, well, I have one, Lexi. You can have it. Now I feel terrible. A great way to organize the linen closet is to use baskets, but you've got to be able to measure everything to make sure that they're going to fit.
Now that we've measured and everything, it's time to actually organize the linen closet. One of our things that we like to start with is by putting the things that we use the least in like the most difficult to reach places, because you're not going to be going for those daily.
Perfect. We love using baskets to organize everything, and they don't all have to be the same. They can be different, but definitely in the same color to keep it looking not cluttered. But we also like to be a little creative and not put everything in a basket. And so by doing little vignettes, it makes it look nice and definitely organized.
Now that everything has a home in the linen closet, it's time to label. We like to label everything that went in a basket, that way you're not struggling to figure out what's in there. We use our label maker that's so easy to use. And then we just put the label on the back of a card and use a little yarn to tie it and hook it onto the basket.
When we were talking about organizing your closet, you said that it was
my closet smells musty.
Like, I'm like, oh, stinky?
And I was like, no, musty. I think it's because it's a linen closet, and so there's not a lot of ventilation.
Yeah.
So we actually found a product. It's called an Air Boss. We'll link it down below, but we got this one at Lowe's, and it is a anywhere dehumidifier with a lavender scent. So
which is perfect for a linen closet,
right?
Yeah.
So before we show you the finished look,
we upload a video every Thursday at 3 o'clock, so don't forget to subscribe and also ring that notification bell.
And if you've already taken a tip away from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We had such a blast doing this Organize With Us video, so we are gonna be doing more. Make sure you give us a follow on our Instagrams. The handles will be linked down below, just so you can get a sneak peek at all of our future videos. See you in our next one.